Hey friends, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Eileen. Welcome to my channel. Let's go jump into our spring second episode. For this DIY, you need a charger plate from Dollar Tree. I will be painting the center with my Moss Waverly chalk paint. I gave it two coats and I also sanded the edges so that it will give you a nice and clean look. I also distressed the center using my Elephant by Waverly. And after distressing it, I let it dry and I have this wall stickers from Dollar Tree. I got this last year and I wish they will bring it out again because it's like a springy stickers. And I just put it on the center. You can use any stickers that you have on hand. And we will be adding this lump's ear from Walmart. It came with two stems. We will be cutting the stem and tie it together with the twine and then hot glue it on the charger plate. I also fixed the leaves so that they are facing upward. And I will be making a bow. These ribbon that I'm using are not wired ribbon, so I'm trying to make a bow in a different way like this. I removed some of the leaves of the lump's ear because it's too much. And then I added these branches from our yard and I also added fern that I've got from Dollar Tree. Then you're done with this DIY. So what do you think? And guys, this video is a collab with my friend Maria from Artsy Cupcake. We are both making 3 spring decor DIY, so make sure to check her out. I will put her link on the description box below. For sure you're gonna love her. She's very talented and very sweet. She's making these Dollar Tree dupes and I love all of her crafts, so make sure to visit her and tell her I sent you. Let's go back to our next DIY. For this DIY, you need 3 shadow box. This is from Dollar Tree and I am reusing the one that I use on Valentine's Day. I will use the back side. And first I remove the sticker, and I will be painting it using my Moss by Waverly. I gave it 2 coats. I let the paint dry and then I apply a good amount of wood glue. I also use the clump from Dollar Tree and I let it dry for 2 hours. Then here I decided to paint the side of the shadow box with my Rust-Oleum chalk paint line and white instead of plain moss, and I think it's a good touch. Then after that I let it dry and I have these greeneries, or these tulips is from Walmart, and I only need the leaves. And I also have these ferns. I got it from Walmart, and you can use any greeneries that you have. Just cut it into size, hot glue it on the shadow box. And it's also nice if your greeneries have different texture and different shapes. After hot gluing the greeneries, I will be making a simple twine bow and hot glue it on each greeneries. And you are done with this DIY. It's very easy and I really love how it turned out. Please let me know on the comment below what do you think of this project. For this DIY, you need this crate and shadow box from Dollar Tree. It's so perfect together. I mean, it fits. The crate fits on the shadow box, and I just removed the bottom side, and it's so easy to remove. I removed that because I want to lay it flat. And then I will be painting the shadow box with my ink Waverly. I gave it incomplete, or I gave it 2 coats. And I also painted the back of the shadow box to have a nice finished look. Then for the crate, I will be staining it with my antique wax while the shadow box is drying, and I let it dry and I attach it using my wood glue. And I just want to say thank you to all of my amazing, awesome subscribers. My little channel is growing every day. Thank you so much, guys. I'm always reading your sweet comments and I really appreciate it. I love you all, guys, and I'm so grateful for every one of you. Yeah, so if you are not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and be a part of my DIY family. Thank you so much, guys. And here, let's go back to our project. I am sanding the edges to distress the shadow box. And then I forgot to put my ribbon first before attaching the crate on the shadow box. So if you will do this, try to attach the ribbon first before attaching the crate. But it's okay, it still work. be adding some greeneries on the crate. You can add any greeneries that you have on hand. And I will be making a raffia bow. I just wrap it on my finger one, two, three, maybe four times. And then voila, you have a raffia bow. And we will be using this watering can that I've got from Hobby Lobby and a fairy light from Dollar Tree. I will be folding the fairy light like this. Try not to fold the fairy light too much because it will not work. So try to play with it. And then I just put the folded fairy light on the spout of the watering can, and I attach the watering can using hot glue. It's okay to put hot glue, or if you want you can drill or use E6000, but hot glue still works because the watering can is not so heavy. Then I will be adding these butterflies from Dollar Tree. These are so adorable. I love using them. And for the battery pack, I tried to put it on the side so that it's so easy to access. And tada! Here is our DIY. I really love how it turned out, and that's it, guys. Please tell me on the comment below what do you think of these projects and what is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next DIY, guys. And of course, don't forget to visit Maria because she has something for you. Yeah, so bye-bye, guys. See you on my next DIY. Take care and God bless you all.